He helped write the rule book for sentencing drink drivers. Now a former Supreme Court judge has found himself convicted for being over the limit. Roderick Howie recorded a blood alcohol reading of 0.121 after crashing his car near his home in Sydney's north. A magistrate imposed a community service order on Howie, saying he put lives at risk by getting behind the wheel. Carl Herr reports.
A sullen Roderick Howie emerged from court silent about his punishment.
Mr Howie, would you like to say anything about the sentence?
The 61-year-old retired judge was ordered to do 100 hours of community service and had his licence suspended for 6 months. Ryde Local Court was told the facts of the case were very disturbing. At about 9:30 one morning in May, Howie hit the back of a truck at an intersection in Beecroft before careering into the path of an oncoming car. No one was seriously injured. Roderick Howie was charged with mid-range drink driving after recording a blood alcohol reading more than double the legal limit. He'd already pleaded guilty, but in court, his lawyer said he was on medication for anxiety and sleeplessness. Magistrate Daniel Rees insisted this potentially dangerous cocktail was no excuse, telling Howie, "One would have thought it was reasonably obvious to you that you were affected by alcohol." He'd had 2 scotches and a bottle of wine the night before. Roderick Howie was among 5 judges who wrote the current guidelines for sentencing high-range drink drivers. The magistrate said, "If I put my mind to it, I couldn't come up with a more painfully ironic person to be put before me." The magistrate acknowledged the considerable losses to Roderick Howie, both financial and professional, since the crash. But he added there could be no appearance of double standards in his sentencing. Howie will get his licence back in November, but restoring his reputation could take longer. Carl Herr, ABC News.